Welcome to my videos. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can step by step fill the profile for Newfoundland and Labrador PNP as express interest skilled worker. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I'm an immigration consultant nor I'm a government body. So if you take anything out of this video, you do it at your own risk. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, I have already made a video where I have shown you how you can create the login. So I'm not going to repeat those steps, but after you log in, this is where you are going to come. So click on go to dashboard. You have the, because you have not submitted any application, so there's nothing. Instead you can click on it. So now it's asking you the eligibility. Are you between ages? Okay. We have one of the following. I have a full-time job offer from eligible. I'm employed full-time with an eligible. Okay. I don't have job offer, however I have received an invitation to apply from this. So you need to fall under these three in order to apply. Let's say you have a job offer, okay, in our sample case. So I click on yes. Based on, you can proceed to, but if you click on no, then you are not eligible. Okay, now create family profile. Are you married in or in a common relationship? I select no. So next question, proceed to next question. Do you have any children under age? I select no. Get started. Okay. Application type. I select this one. It's asking for the profile number and job seeker code. I don't have it because sample video, but I'll try to put something. How do you discover Lebrador immigration programs? In other profile details, I'll plus social media. Are you currently residing in Canada? I select yes. Legal status in Canada, worker. UCI, so that you can find in all your communication from IRCC for any kind of application, but it's not mandatory, so I can leave it. Say the type of work permit. Let's say you are a postgraduate work permit. Issue date. So let's say just sample guys. Apply to you. One of the following. I have a job vacancy, assessment code. I have been informed by eligible acquiring a job. I have better. Okay. Location and with this. Okay. All right. Whatever is applicable in your case, I'm doing that. Principal applicant details. Okay. Gender. You need to do as per your case. Some details are coming from your profile that you created before. Date of birth. Wow. Okay, I'll fill it up like this. Okay, country of birth, citizenship, country of residence, oh, Canada is on top. Highest education level, I'll say master. Native language, speaks French, I select no. Marital status, single. Children if applicable, children, I select no. Contact information, okay. I'm just putting some sample here. You do as per your case, guys. Don't do like this. Job seeker course must be 4 digits. Thank you. And you will continue editing this form. Into application checklist. Okay, so now we have returned here. Okay, PNP checklist, and you need to submit all whichever are applicable for your case. Application details, edit form, employment offer, and once you fill up all the mandatory fields, you can submit the application. Okay, then only you can submit. Like if you go for employment offer, so you need to put all these details and you need to attach employment offer too, and then you can go back to, then it will show completed. Immigration representative, if their travel document, passport, civil document, custody, minor child, employment, whichever is applicable for you, supporting documents, federal forms, additional family information. So how do they start federal form? If I click on it, oh, they give you the link, then you can upload here. Okay, fine. Similarly, for additional family information, background declaration, economic class, permanent document checklist, application declaration. For example, if you go for checklist, okay, so once you are through all this, all the mandatory ones, then this like one or ones all like this is showing incomplete, like this is complete. Once you are through all the one, then you get the link, this button gets activated. So of course I'm not gonna do that, but you got an idea how to go through this. So thanks for watching this video, guys. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.